5 minutes ago we spoke about short area and long area. This is dynamic points. But as I told you this morning, we also have a geometrical system. What means? What is the difference? Read it here. We have angle, threshold. Angle, threshold. We have angle, length. Why? Because in our units we have the sensor installed on the bottom of the boom that measure the angle, but with a rope, with a thin rope, the elongation of the boom. For two reasons. The first reason, if you want to obtain the slowdown for extension, you must to have the sensor. Clear, no? The second reason is that we want to control the extension when the boom is empty, when the basket is empty. Why? Is only a structural reason, because extend completely the boom without the weight inside, in the year you can bend, you can damage the boom. So we want to stop as well, even if the basket is empty, but without the moment limiter. How we can do that? With the geometrical. We install angle, but we write target, not pressure, but meter. When? Easily. When the machine is at 0 degree, empty. Empty means from 80 kilograms to less. Okay? I want that 0 degrees, my boom doesn't open full, but I want to stop it, sorry, 6.5 meters. I write here in length 650. And normally when you install in the future, I think that you will be already. For this, I told you, guys, the first unit that you started to test, send us the parameters, because we want to save and prepare the unit in factory already with your point installed. Okay, in India, for example, when we finished to follow them in remote, I was there in November, and I said, okay, give me the parameters of your last unit. And I load, because the last unit was the last machine tested. So if you load as an alpha file, the last machine, more or less is the same. You don't need to work hours, no, too much long, no, because you tested the same machine. Okay? And at the beginning, we must check. Then, because I repeat, you don't have load, you don't have nothing, it's only a protection for the structure. You can copy every unit, you can copy step by step, because nothing changed, because there is no pressure. Is a meter. Cannot to change between one unit and another unit. On the moment device, on the pressure, can be some difference, but in geometrical, no. You copy exactly the same points, every unit. Test 1 point, 2 points, if you will find the position, finish done. Only this. Remember this, I repeat, the reason is, this one is for avoid that the machine fall down. The geometrical is only for preserve the structure. Because I remember the standard machine doesn't have the geometrical. At the 25 meter you can extend completely the boom, completely.
But that's mainly for the T series, right?
Yeah. Even for the double articulated 24, 20 no. But no, you don't say like, depends, depends. Because if you have one area dynamic, you have one area geometric. If you have two dynamic area like this, you have two geometric, because I suppose that this machine in this moment is working even on the cabin. But the area on the cabin, we think that it must be shorter than the other. So we need to have two different area geometrical. In your case, I hope to have one area only. But I repeat, after, in the time, you never touch this point. When you set it, if nobody goes to change something, nothing changes. I think that it is enough. This is, guys, this is the most important part of our job and the most dangerous to do. But you trust me, one machine, two, at the third machine you understand immediately. It's very, very easier to do.